Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Brera Gaggia with us in the shop, and I came in for a few things, but mainly we did a tune-up and then also fully removing this front spout to unclog it. So we're just going to quickly test the machine by brewing a shot. We're also going to test the steaming and hot water function, but as we wait, the machine is starting to grind into its brew unit. Once it's in that position, it'll move the brew unit into the version of the mechanic valve that this machine has, and it'll start pushing water through both the puck and also the hosing that will allow it to go into the spouts. That's often where a lot of the cloggage happens, is in that tube, and also the spouts, because spouts are just a huge chamber, and as the oils build up, it starts to build up, and then at some point it seals off. So we had to fully remove it to clean it, and then reinstall it, which is quite a little bit of steps to remove. You have to remove the entire front panel, of course, and then the lid to get there. But there's your shot for you. As you can see, looking pretty good. Now we're going to quickly test hot water. Just going to shoot it into the drip tray. It's perfectly fine. There you go. Nice steady stream. Turn that off now, and we're going to quickly test steaming. It's going to push a little bit of water out first because it's heating up the thermal block rapidly. And then the pump's going to slowly give water, but not fully ramp up until the thermal block is fully up to temp, as you can hear right now. And as you can see, steam coming out great. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.